hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, June the 19th, 2021. The first two puzzles I have solved are the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars. So now I will continue with a binary puzzle, and this will be number 2974. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And then let me see. Between two O's comes in 1. All right. And now, we need to compare. Well, let me compare this one and that row. Column 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O here 1 there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones in the first row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And then here I think we need to compare again. Yes. Well. 3 O's. I cannot place the O here. Look, the last column and this column. Oh, 1 1 1 1 0. And I'm missing the 4th O. Well, I cannot place the O there. Otherwise, it will be identical columns. So I need to place the double 1 there. So, alright, so here cannot be an O. Here should be a 1 then. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare this row and that row. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So we empty box. We should switch those 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional See you then. Bye bye for now.